Morning, morning, morning. It is English, it is Thursday, it's a glorious day. Let's get cracking. So the do now. Hard phones and spellings. The man was going bold or bold. This, I think, would be awkward. I'm curious to know how many people did genuinely know this. So the man was going bold, so, losing some of your hair. It's the last one. Bold is if you're brave, boldly going into battle. Now, I have a problem with these words. I only found out a couple of years ago that you actually say them differently. So bold or bald, which I can't say. I find I physically cannot say it. Bald. You're balding. You're balding. So I think there's also probably a bit of an accent, local, regional kind of thing with that. I reckon if you went further down south, you'd get a clearer difference between the two. Solve the anagrams of some Year 5 spelling words or sounds spelt or. So or sounds spelt or. I've cracked them this morning. I've already got author and cause. So author, person who writes a book. Cause, the cause of something. I'm getting better at those. I made them. Verb forms. There is 4 cakes left. There are 4 cakes left. It is are because there are plural. There are 4 cakes left. The robin ain't got a worm. The robin hasn't got a worm. Should be hasn't. Use a verb form of drink for Dave. Lots of water yesterday. Should be Dave drank lots of water yesterday. Use a verb form for rain. It had started raining today. Apostrophes, only one of these is correct. He's only got one left. Oh. Some of you are going to argue neither of them correct. That's a comma, not a full stop. That should be a full stop. Well done if you said that one's not correct either, though. But the apostrophe is the one that's correct. It should be this one down here, because it's he has only got one left. So sometimes, don't forget, the contractive apostrophe can show an omitted couple of letters, not just one. The next one underneath, what type of apostrophe is this? There's only a blue tit in the garden. Contracted, because it should be there is only a blue tit in the garden. And then correct the thing at the bottom. Totley's roads were much quieter. I see this a lot. Again, the apostrophe is in the thing that is the object, is the possession, not the thing it belongs to. So it should be an apostrophe between the Y and the S. It's Totley's roads. The other thing is, kids at your age start finding it really easy to put possessive apostrophes in like people's names, so like Sarah's pencil case or Mr. Cooper's donut, but sometimes miss them when they're objects or places. Things can belong to a place or an object. The chair's legs, Totley's roads. So it should be the apostrophe in there. Good. And then, to be honest with you, you know exactly what the expectations are for your writing. I gave you this one today because I know we've done this week because we've done a lot of sort of tense descriptive writing. Sorry, my camera was starting to slip. That generates lots of vocabulary and language that you'd need. So I thought a 4-day week, give you a prompt like that, and immerse like that, because I know a lot of you will have lots of powerful ideas for it. Your best write needs to include all of these. I know some of you draft write, well, you should be, draft writing on a Wednesday or the day before, and then writing it again, checking that everything is as good as it can be. I have to say, the ones that are being sent to me, most of them are a very good standard, good length. They keep me hooked, and I'm putting them on the blog the following week. So, well done if yours has appeared on there. You know the drill. Capital letters, full stops, commas, relative clauses, personification. That's a big one this week. Personification and similes. Remember, I think I said it yesterday. Make things sound like they are alive. Things are after you. Things are chasing you or watching you. All right? Semicolons. Describe all the senses. A lot of us are missing some of that last week. So, all the senses. Tell me what you can see. Tell me a couple of things you can see. A couple of things you can hear. And drip feed it through your writing. Okay, that's what I'm reading for. All right, if you're just going to tell me an event, I walked down the path, I saw a house. That's no one's. I'm not going to want to read that. No one's going to want to read that. Okay, the point of reading and writing is to hook a reader, to take them away somewhere else, grab their imagination. So you've got to do that. So, lovely, fantastic. Enjoy writing this because I think I said yesterday on the video as well, next week I'm going to put a pause on the writing a piece, and it's going to be lots of toolkits. So enjoy writing this because there's no story writing next week. So take your time. Don't worry if you don't send it me today. It can be sent over the weekend or Monday, Tuesday. I won't look at it over the weekend, but I'll see it on Monday. And give it a go. I'm really looking forward to some of these guys because I know some of you have got some very, very good, tense ideas for things like this. So good luck and enjoy your weekend.